Welcome to Wrong Time Watch. My name is Kevin, and today we have an unboxing here. Already took this out of the shipping box. Comes in a large package. So anyway, this is the DIY Watch Club GMT with the Pro Kit. I didn't pay for this, so I'll mark it as a paid promotion. So you get this card here, or this envelope with a card in it, I should say, and it's going to have your it's like a QR code in here for your instructions to assemble this watch. So that's in there. Here's another box, and this has your loop and some other things. Looks like a watch stand or your loop holder. Actually, I guess I could use that. I just usually use like a visor headset, but I've never used one of these before. This is the bracelet that came with the kit that I selected, which is the Batman kit. So let's check out the bracelet here. Price for this kit looks to be about $450. I think it varies. And then I do have a discount code too, which I'll put in the description. So if you want to use that, that'd be great. It helps me out. I earn a commission from that. It doesn't cost you anything more. So yeah, this looks like a nice solid end link, solid link bracelet. Screw pins there for adjustment, for removing links, I should say. Then you get some. Okay, cool. Yeah, so that's interesting. The whole thing is slotted here, so that would allow you to slide in those quick release spring bars. Very interesting. So you could determine which side you want to have the pin on then, and they give you an extra pin. So let's put that back in here. Put that off to the side. All right, so there's a button on the front of this. Let's push that and get the case open. So we have a screwdriver. I believe this is for the rotor on the back of the movement. The bezel insert is separate. The other kit I have from them was already installed, so peel and stick, I guess. You have to line that up on here. So I don't know if this is bidirectional or unidirectional. Okay, so it's unidirectional. It is a GMT. Would be nice if it was bidirectional, but it's not the end of the world. Sapphire crystal on this one here. It's got a little bit of a dome to it. Signed screw down crown. Maybe got some details on the back here. Automatic movement, DIY Watch Club. 200 meter water resistant. Must be the model number for the case, and then 316L stainless steel. Assembled by hand. That's pretty neat. So here's the movement. It's the Seiko NH34 movement. Hopefully I remember the model number correctly. So yeah, the GMT movement. And again, I think this screwdriver is for that rotor there if you wanted to remove it for some reason. Alright, let's see what's in this one here. I guess I should zoom back out. Not totally sure what this is. Maybe it's a dial. Oh, we got the hand, the GMT hand in there. So that comes separate from the other hands, because if you order just a regular 3-hand watch, you would get those 3 hands. There's the dial. So what's in here? Looks to be the minute hand and the hour hand and the second hand. Hopefully they gave me some spares. Yes, looks like we got some, yeah, okay, 2 of each hand there. Very nice. I'll put this stuff all off to the side. I'll box that all up later. Put it back together, I should say. So we talked about that. This would be for setting one of the hands at least. I'm not sure if this is for all the hands. Talk about this here. So this is your case back tool. This is the pad for putting your movement on while you install the hands. A little non-stick back there, so a nice padded surface for that. Then you're going to want like a jar or something you can set over this so you don't get dust in it if you're taking a break or whatever. Alright, so finger cots, I think this is a Rodico, and then a microfiber cloth. So the Rodico you can use for helping you set the hands, and then also for removing dust, other imperfection, fingerprints, all that kind of stuff. I have seen quite a few watch making videos, so I only know from watching those type of videos. This is the loop which connects to that wire thing I showed in the beginning. So you put this up to your eye to help you see better, see closer, zoom in. You have the ball for blowing air out, blowing air obviously, but blowing dust off the watch, out of the movement. Alright, so this thing I think comes out. We don't knock anything off the table there. So this tray just came out of this box here. So yeah, this is just a wood piece you can use to, again, help align things or move the rotor around. It's not going to scratch the movement or the dial or anything like that. These definitely will scratch the movement. These tweezers, you got to be careful with these, what you do with these. This could either be a case back removal tool or also to help you remove the bezel, pop the bezel off. I really shouldn't need to use this because it's a screw down case back and the bezel is already attached. But I guess you may need to use it in the future to get in there and clean things out. I believe this is for removing the hands. So you'd put a piece of plastic over the hands and then you would scoop this up. You have 2 of these here actually. And then allow you to pry the hands off the dial. Okay, so this would be for setting, I'm sure the instructions will tell you, there's probably different colors. Yeah, okay, here's the other one here. So one would be for setting the minute hand and hour hand, or minute and second hand. So I would say this one's probably for the hour hand since it's a little bit larger. The hour hand should go on first. Actually, I guess it would go on second. The GMT hand would go on first. So this guy here is probably going to be even bigger. Yeah, so I would say this is for the GMT, this is for the hour hand, and this one's probably for the minute and the second hand. So let's put that stuff back in. This here looks to be a screwdriver. So these are nicer quality than the regular set. So feel like nice quality screwdrivers. So let's see. Okay, I guess that's it. I don't know if there's anything else in this case here. So just a quick unboxing, maybe not so quick, but a quick look at the tools and what I think all this stuff is used for. I might be wrong on something, but I don't think I am, just based on what I've seen in other videos. So let me know what you think of this kit. Hopefully I'll get this together sometime soon here. A little anxious or apprehensive about doing it, but I guess if I go slow and take my time, I should be able to get it done. If you haven't subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button. I really appreciate it, and also really appreciate it if you could use the discount codes. It helps me out a lot. And that will conclude this video. So as always, thank you for your time, and thank you for watching.